guys, so today I am making chili. I made it actually over the weekend, and I only made enough for me and my man, so like 2 servings, and it was so good. Like, it was crazy. And so we didn't have any leftovers, so he asked me to make it again today, so that's what I'm gonna be making for dinner today. I've never made chili before this week or last weekend. I think I remember all the stuff. I have all my stuff over here. I think I remember what I did, so hopefully it turns out the same. I'm going to take you guys along with me, so stay tuned to see how I make my chili. Okay, so this is basically what I put in my chili the last time I made it. So going through the ingredients, I have seasoned salt, black pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. This is all going to be cooking the ground beef. Then I have just pan spray, butter flavored, cumin, a big must, cayenne pepper, optional, garlic, roasted garlic and herb seasoning, minced garlic, and we have either the home style chili with like light beans, or the Wolf brand chili with no beans. So, but I think today we're gonna just do the home style one. I also have 1 whole onion because I'm gonna be making more than 2 servings, and either a whole yellow or red pepper, and then of course ground beef, which I have over there thawed out. And then I also forgot to mention rotel. So yeah, that'll be everything that goes in the chili today. All right, so I did just finish cutting up 1 yellow bell pepper and 1 whole onion, red onion, 1 whole red onion. This time I'm gonna remember to put my pepper and my onion in with my meat. I turned my fire down a little, but I'm gonna turn it back up. I'm in a tropic club. I'm actually going to go ahead and throw in my onion and my pepper. Just so they can be getting the juices and everything too. We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tease. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am. And even though I'm kind of chopping it up, I'm still leaving the pieces pretty big because we like to have our chili kind of be chunky. Okay, so now I'm just gonna stir everything together now that my meat's all good. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club. Garlic and herb from Stone Mill. This stuff, like if you smell it, it smells so good, and it smells like it'll pair with chili really well. Let's go ahead and do the cumin next. Grab some cumin and just smell it. It literally smells just like chili, so it's a perfect ingredient. Last but not least, this is so weird, but literally, sugar makes stuff taste so much better. I'm not adding it to sweeten it, I'm adding it to bring out the flavor of everything else.